I've been waiting months, literally, to reveal this. I started dyeing this shirt a couple months ago after it was already tied. It was soaked in soda ash. And I just dyed it from time to time. Over the course of 2 months, I'd do a few nubs, and I left it in this plastic tote. And I'd pull it out when I had another dye session and only a little bit of dye left. And we'll see what happens, see how it comes out. I don't expect it to keep all of its color. I do expect a lot of it to wash out. So I'm going to unwrap it in hyperspeed mode and then rinse out and show you what it looks like at the end. Here's a quick sneak peek before I wash it in hot water. Looks like there's going to be some white. This is a big shirt. Let's just go to washing it in hyperspeed. I'll show you what it looks like after it's washed and dried. This is after the first wash. Just a little peek. It's still inside out. Let's turn it inside out. There's a little white. As expected. Looks like it's still going to be a cool shirt though. Wash it a couple more times and I'll show you the dried results at the end. Okay, this is after the second wash and soak in hot water. So it might have a little more white. I'm going to wash it a third time and we'll see what it looks like. Except this time I'm going to add some boiling water to it. We'll see how much more color we lose. Okay, this is after the third wash that I added boiling water to. It definitely lost a lot more color. See the white. Not a whole lot, but I'm going to wash it one more time, again with boiling water. Let it soak for another hour. And I'll show you the results after the fourth wash. Okay, this was after the 4th wash and soak with boiling water. You can see there's more white, so we lost more color that time. The water is still quite blue, so I'm going to wash it a 5th time with near boiling water and let it soak. There's white. And off for the 5th wash. Okay, after 5 washes and soaks in hot boiling water, it's ready to dry now. A little preview of it here now. I'm going to let it air dry and we'll get some final pictures. You'll see the final results in just a couple of seconds. Okay, this is the final result after it's been dried. Colors aren't quite as vivid as I normally get, but there's really not too much white. So most of the dye did adhere. This is a 3XL. Thanks for checking out my experiment, and please subscribe to my channel for more.